So, bristan easy fits. If you want to go, just skip straight to the how to install it, skip to this. So, bristan easy fits. Plumbers, do we like them? Do we hate them? I think it's quite a funny one because it's quite split. People either love them or they hate them. I'm in the camp of, I love bristan easy fits. I think they're really good. But there are some drawbacks. So if you're thinking about possibly buying an easy fit, and that's how you've landed on this video, let's go through some of the things. So number one, absolutely fantastic on stainless steel sinks. But if you have a ceramic sink, the function that makes them an easy fit doesn't work. Now, you can get away with using them on resin sinks with the top loading feature, but you tend to find that when you got a ceramic sinks or anything slightly thicker, you're still going to have to try and get up underneath, hold it, and you're not going to have enough reach on your arm to get to the top to actually wind it down. You end up saying to the customer, wind it down, I'll hold it up, and it can get a bit annoying. Number two, the other thing that a lot of plumbers don't really get is the fact that you have to drop one of the pins down. You still have to then put your flexible hose up and spin it in. Now, whereas a normal set of taps, they're completely top loading, you've got both of your tails already on. When you put it in, you can do that trick like that. So, bristan easy fit. Why should you choose a bristan easy fit? Well, the main thing is they've gone basically into a more high-end market, so they are a high-end tap. Now, why are they a high-end tap? Because they offer a true 10 years warranty. So you get a 5 years warranty with your receipt, but if you call up, you can get an additional 5 years, and that 10 years warranty will even cover the chrome chipping or anything like that, and they'll send you out new cartridges if the tap starts dripping, that sort of thing. So you're paying for the quality guarantee. You don't put 10 years warranty, not an actual 10 years warranty on any product unless it is really, really good. But let's go to the downside, and one of the major downsides is I used to fit bristan easy fits every day. Every time a customer wanted a kitchen tap, I would get the bristan catalogue, and 9 times out of 10 they would choose something that's in the easy fit range. So why did I stop even bothering to show the customer the catalogue? Is because they put the prices up far too much last time when they put 30% markup from what we was paying before. Then I just stopped fitting them and went over to Francis Pegler. Quite like their taps. Francis Pegler, any others? I can't think of the name of the other one. Lewis and Cook, I fit a lot of those. So, bristan easy fits. Let's get into fitting one. Right, well, this is on the very other end of the spectrum. You can see why this customer is replacing this tap. It's 2 years old. It's leaking literally out of the spout, which is a bit crazy. I know a mate of mine who does multiple of these. I don't know why he does so many, but it was a very cheap tap. I'm not really sure where it's from, but it's a very, very cheap tap. And as you can tell, they just pinhole, which is a bit crazy. So we need to get rid of the old one now. Just going to take off the tails. Bristan Easy Fit, they do come with some non-return valves that are also isolation valves. So we're going to turn the water off and we're going to swap out these non-return valves and just completely swap them with the ones that are provided with the Bristan Easy Fit. Now, we've got to get these back nuts off, and this is what Easy Fit is trying to eliminate, is the back nut. So having to get underneath to actually take them off. If you ever needed to put a new tap on because maybe you wanted to change the style, then you've already got the base pre-fitted and you could just take it off from above. So with these old-fashioned type of back nuts, they can be an absolute pain to get off. Now, there are plenty of different tools that you can use to get these off, but some of them can be very expensive, like the Narad Tapex, for example. So let's get the new one fitted. So we're going to put in the Easy Fit base, which just slides straight through the top, providing that your sink is thin enough for you to do so. You're going to get your Allen key, which is provided, and then you're just going to tighten that down. Just keep tightening until it has no more movement in it. You're pretty much there at this point. So get that all nicely tight and make sure you get it facing the right way. So make sure you square it up to where you need it to be. So holding the base, you can get a bit more leverage to tighten it up. Now you want to tighten it up till it squeaks. That is the best way to do these. Now you can see from this angle that you've got two little lugs either side. So that's where they are called the locating lugs, and we're going to make sure that we locate those in. Now it is crucially important that you put the cover plate over first and then you lube up your O-rings. Now this is all provided in the kit, so you just need to put on the lube. It's just a silicone grease, and that will stop those O-rings splitting when we put the tap over and on. So get plenty on. So now to put the actual tap on and drop it into place, we need to unwind the two little grub screws. If you don't unwind these, it will not go on. Simple as that. So unwind them, put your finger inside, make sure that it's smooth, that it will be able to slide over, and it should slide over really easy, just like this. Now you don't want to be seeing any gold from the brass. You want to make sure that is completely set down. Now there is this very small little hex key that you need to use to tighten up those grub screws back into the locators at the back of the tap. Now this isn't good enough on its own. If you have a look, the hex key actually goes into the handle, and that will give you far more leverage to make sure that it's tight, and then you are fully secure. The tap is in place, ready to be plumbed in. So that's how to fit a Bristan Easy Fit tap. So if you love them or you hate them, let me know. I'm interested to see what other plumbers think. I want to see what customers think as well, whether or not they would like to have a Bristan Easy Fit installed in their own property. And don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to like the video, seeing as you got this far through the video. Make sure you like the video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, you can follow me, you can subscribe, it's just down there.